Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on GBP CAD? Now, from a weekly point of view, we have a market that clearly is approaching, it has approached very strong weekly support. It was support here, it's again support at this area, and the market has also created this M formation in approaching the zone. So we definitely expect the market to show a reaction from the area because we have the possibility to create this inverted head and shoulders. This is a clear structure level, and we have the information from a weekly point of view. So it's clear that from here we want to see the market make a move to the upside. We go down on the daily, and what kind of situation we have. On the daily, we have a market that is showing a different perspective because we have an impulse, we have a correction, and we should expect the market to break lower. So what happens in these situations is usually, if obviously the market actually wants to make the move to the upside, is that we will see an accumulation zone here with some manipulation, so some spikes to the downside before the market actually manages to break higher. Let's go and see what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, what hedge funds are doing at the moment in the market. Let's see what we have from a GBP perspective, and then we will see what we have from a CAD perspective. Let's start from the pound. So on the pound, we can clearly see that overall we are sitting at the moment at minus 18k net positions. So with having shorts outweighing greatly longs, way more shorts than longs on the pound from an institutional perspective, with a 30.5% short exposure. So we can definitely expect the daily time frame to basically continue to move to the downside, and the weekly to break that support. If we go and see what we have from a CAD perspective, on the other side, we can see that overall we are sitting at the moment at minus 35k net positions, and we would like to see CAD go weaker because it's obviously also a commodity currency. So going back to our chart on GBP CAD, how we will be approaching this situation with students. It's pretty clear that at the moment there is no opportunity neither for a long nor for a short on GBP CAD, and that everything at the moment is bearish. But things might change in the future. If we will start to see inside of this area a clear shift back from a bearish market to a bullish market, because at the moment, as we have also seen from a 4-hour perspective, everything is bearish. But if the market will start to show clear rejections also on the daily, showing a clear accumulation phase, and on the 4-hour time frame, we will see a market shifting from a bearish market to a bullish market, then we will start looking for potential longing opportunities with students and waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice move to the upside. But if everything will remain as it is right now, the market will easily break this area to the downside. So we have to wait and see proper confirmations, because at the moment everything is still bearish. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.